Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing an amazing hair growth oil. You know I so much love DIYs, and that's the most important thing that we're doing in this channel to make you grow a better hair. So in this video we'll be doing the aloe vera hair growth oil. Stay tuned and don't miss out any.
I gave you my heart.
If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome, and I want to assure you that your stay will always be relevant and you won't go back the same. And for my returning subscribers, you've always been so amazing, and I thank you all for everything, for your support and for your love. Always stay tuned and do not miss out any of my episodes, for you will always learn, most importantly, how to grow a healthy hair, because that is our goal in this channel. So together we will all embrace our crown. So stay tuned, do not miss out anything. You can either use this oil as a pre-pore treatment or as a sealant, but for me I use it in both ways and it's working amazingly for my hair. Do let us know in the comment section below if you've tried this oil out and how your hair felt about it. And for those who are yet to try it out, trust me, you will love everything about this oil. It's so amazing. It gives you that shine, it prevents split ends and breakage. So guys, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification, and see you all again in my next video.